Cow's urine comes with a bunch of health benefits, but it's very important to know who should and who should avoid taking cow's urine. What's the right way of consumption? What's the right dosage? This is a detailed explanation on cow's urine therapy and its miraculous results for some of the incurable conditions we are going to discuss from a completely Ayurvedic perspective. So let us understand about this topic. Namaste everyone, welcome back to Jyovis. Before we begin with this video, let me tell you, cow's urine is not present in all the Ayurvedic medication. Yes, few combination has cow's urine, but before it is given to the patient is informed about this, that this medicine has this particular ingredient, and then the decision is taken whether or not to proceed with this ingredient. If not, then an alternative is definitely planned for that particular ingredient. Coming to our topic, cow's urine is a sign of spirituality, is also used for many devotional practices. In Charak Samhita Sutra Sthan chapter 1 and Shushu Samhita Chikitsa Sthan chapter 45, the main qualities of cow's urine are explained. It is said that it is having Madhur Katu Tikt Kashai. It is sweet, it is pungent, bitter and astringent in taste. It is of Ushna Virya, it is hot in its potency. It is having Tikshna Guna, which is the piercing sharp qualities. Let's understand the main organ that it has an impact on. It is the stomach and the skin. So for the treatment of many abdominal diseases and skin diseases, mainly of the cough origin, it is having a result like no other medicine. You can say that. Mainly of cough origin because it reduces the cough dosh. When we talk about cough, all the kaphaj vikar, whether it's hypothyroidism, cholesterol, obesity, whether it is PCOD, all the kaphaj vikar, it is said as Vishagna. It is having anti-toxic and anti-poisonous effect. All the kaphaj vikar, including the prevention of corona. Corona is a kaphaj vikar. It balances cough dosh. 3 to 5 ml per day is best when it comes to prevention of corona as well. The right dosage we are going to discuss in the later part of this video. One of the main action of Gomutra is Krubigna Karya, intestinal worms. The intestinal worms that are stuck to the layers of the intestine, it flushes them out. Patient immediately after that sees the heaviness in the stomach is relieved. There is loss of appetite that is gone. The constipation, the lumps in the abdomen or the ascites or overall abdominal diseases, the patient gets relieved then and there itself. Moving further, you have seen that once intestinal worms are flushed out, patient sees a drastic amount of improvement in terms of their skin diseases, the psoriasis, the eczema, dermatitis, fungal infections, skin diseases mainly of kaphaj origin, where cough is predominant, of cough prakriti. This ingredient has beautiful results. There are also some diseases where doctors give Gomutra, but these diseases are not mentioned in the classical text. These diseases are the Vrukta Vikar, kidney diseases, the Rog of the Mutravas Trotas, urinary diseases, your problems. There is white discharge, bleeding piles, non-bleeding piles. For all this, Gomutra is very useful. Next is cancer. There is a research done on Gomutra wherein it is proved for its anti-cancerous action, and there have been tons of patients who have totally recovered. The stages are reversed with this Gomutra. Many success stories, testimonials, feedbacks you will find on the internet with the use of Gomutra. Patient have got total recovery because it enhances the immunocompetence. Overall, there are improvements seen in overall health, the general health, and also it prevents the free radical formation. Overall, it's an amazing anti-aging factor. A research has been done and it is proven to be very, very effective. Moving further, when we talk about obesity for intake, Gomutra is very, very useful due to its Lekhan Karya, due to its Shar quality. It reduces the fat tissues, it reduces cholesterol, the deposition of this cholesterol in the tissues, deposition inside of arteries. It is very useful. It helps in disintegration and depletion of the lipid molecules. Overall useful for obesity. But more than 4 months, we tell patients to not take it. It is not recommended more than 4 months. You can take it for some time, keep a gap, again take it. 4 months continuously or more than that, it is not recommended. There is a specific panchakarma, which is the Lekhan Basti, a medicated enema specially designed for weight loss. It cannot be done at home. It's done at the center, at a panchakarma center, and 8 days or 16 days of Lekhan Basti shows tremendous weight loss effects, inch loss patient experiences when this Lekhan Basti is administered to the patient. This is a medicated enema which has many dravyas like amlika, gomutra, etc. depending on the condition, depending on the prakriti. For kidney stone, in Punarnavadi Kashayam Gomutra is ingredient. One of the home remedy is 10 ml of gomutra, a pinch or 1 gram of cardamom crushed to be mixed in together, and it is consumed, and this is acting as a painkiller, relieves the patient permanently from kidney stone. This is an ingredient. We have a lot of ingredients we've explained in our kidney stone video. Link is in the description box. The other benefits, there are endless benefits, but if we talk about other benefits, I would say vitiligo, white patches over the body. We give patient Bakuchi Lep Goli or Shwitrahar Lep Goli, this goli, this stick, this tablet to be mixed with cow's urine and to be applied externally. It is having, beautiful results. Overall, for many conditions, Gomutra is very useful. It is recommended, it is advisable. For devotional practices, home, yadna, yavan, it is used. And this is some of the benefits that we wanted to share about Gomutra. The main part is the dosage and the contraindication. The dose is 0.15 ml, 0.15 ml per kg. So if the child is of 10 years, an example, so 10 into 0.15 or 0.15 into 10, which is 1.5 ml per day, is the preferable dose of Gomutra. Below the age of 8 years, not recommended at all. If the female is a pregnant lady or a lactating mother, not advisable at all. After delivery, if one wants to take it, not advisable at all. The patient, the person, the woman must wait for 45 days after delivery. Only then they are fit for consuming the intake of Gomutra. Adult dose is 10 ml per day after the age of 18 or after 20, 22. 10 ml is the preferable dosage. The maximum dosage is 20 ml of Gomutra. If one is taking more than that, one must be taking it under an authentic Ayurvedic doctor's guidance only. A doctor's guidance is required about 20 ml dosage in one day. Preferably on an empty stomach or after meals, it is advisable. As you all know, before medicine, any drug, any herb mainly, goes towards Vataj Vikar, during meal, Pittaj Vikar, and after meal, it goes towards Kaphaj Vikar. So Gomutra works on cough, after meal has an even better result, but also on an empty stomach, it is given to the patient. Preferably 1 part of Gomutra and 4 parts of water is advised. After which fennel seeds or jaggery, mishri, honey, all this can be taken to change the taste. Apart from that, there are many medications that have Gomutra. There is no such smell that is experienced. They are easy to consume. But all of those must be consumed under an authentic Ayurvedic doctor's guidance. There is Panchagavya Gruth, which is having cow's urine. Many patients say cow's urine and cow's milk, can it be taken together? Absolutely yes, this medicine has both of them together. For conditions like the psychiatric conditions, anxiety, depression, panic mania, psychosis, neurosis, all these conditions, this is one of the best medicine, Panchagavya Gruth. And for conditions like cancer as well, this medicine is prescribed. For schizophrenia, which is one of the incurable condition, for such condition as well, improvements are seen once this medicine is started for the patient. Overall, there are endless benefits of this medicine. I hope I was able to cover up and give you some information about the miraculous benefits of cow's urine. This was all for now. Do like and share this video further, and any doubts, any questions, let us know in the comment section. Until next time, from Jyovis and the team, look impressive, be progressive.